Okay.
Who called you?
Amanda's sister did.
Amanda's sister. What did she say?
She called to inform me that Amanda tried to commit suicide.
So why is she calling you? As her father, a brother or boyfriend? I don't get it. Wait a minute. Vincent, is there anything going on between you and that girl?
No, mother. Nothing's going on between us.
So why were you called to be informed?
That's because I was the one who put her in pain.
Yeah, but she has recovered from the accident.
Emotionally, she is not. Okay? I need to go and see her. And I'm going down.
Vincent, is there anything you're hiding from me?
No. There's nothing I'm hiding from you. Why is it so hard for you to understand this? I just feel the girl needs to go down. That's it.
Oh, really? And you're the best person to call?
That's because I've got a conscience. I'll see you when I get back.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.